Grand Rising, y'all. I'm just now getting up, getting my day started. I don't want to show myself on the video this morning, y'all, because I look like a hot mess and I haven't got myself together. So I'm in the kitchen, about to get my meal of the day started, y'all. I think I'm going to eat me some rice. Yeah, I think I'm going to eat me some rice, y'all. Get my little meal started. I think I'm gonna go ahead and might eat me some chicken tenders with it. I am gonna eat some chicken tenders with it. Oh, yeah. Put this on the stove. Yep, y'all. I like a hot mess. I cannot be seen on the video screen, y'all. Yes. Ooh, Lord have mercy. I am tired. I really didn't feel like cooking, y'all. I wish I had somebody here to cook for me. Oh, wishful thinking. A woman gotta do what they gotta do. Oh. A woman gotta do what they gotta do. Put a little grease in there, not too much. Not too much. Turn the oven on. Yep. Go ahead and grab me a couple of these tenders out of the bag. I'm trying to debate. Do I want? Nah, I think I'm just stick with the. I'm gonna stop being greedy, y'all, and just stick with this rice and a couple of chicken tenders. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead and put this in the oven. Yep. Grab me the rice. I'm gonna put this back in. Yeah, put this up, yeah. And where's the rice at? I know I got some more rice. I don't believe that I must have. I got to open up the new rice. I guess I did eat it. I don't remember. I don't remember, y'all. Ooh,